Immigration Law Caucus, with the ACLU, and with everyone here to say hand on the 14th Amendment.
Say freedom! Freedom! Freedom for us all! Freedom for us all right now!
Piece of a deliberate, systemic campaign to detain, to deport, and to terrorize, love this country, but are told you do not belong. You have no voice. You have no for being with us here today. Her work is so incredibly important. Politics and issues shaping our communities, and he has matched that influence with a direct aid and not
really funny. We have this lady here saying she doesn't stand with immigrants, but she supports Trump, who's half. Mi gente, noticia de última hora, aquí estamos afuera de la Corte Suprema.
So birthright citizenship is critical for Americans because it really is how our government dealt with the original sin of slavery in our country. And it represents the way that we made sure that there was not going to be an underclass of citizens, that everybody who was here would be able to get citizenship, and then as their children were born, they would become American and equal to all of the other people who are here under law. We have made so much, we've been a real beacon throughout the world as an example of a country that truly is open to change. Our favorite foods, the religions that we have, the way that we celebrate our cultures, all of which counts in America because of birthright citizenship. It's really the foundation of who we are and who we've been over the last 150 years. So it's critical that the court does move in the right direction today and maintain what has been the bedrock of our society for so long.
Vote in your state, which means states that prevent people from voting who could vote should have less number of representatives in the Constitution.
The idea that birthright citizenship is a pull factor or that it changes people's decision making has been debunked in a lot of data. The reality is that there are many people here who are doing incredible work to support our communities, and they're a critical part of our communities. And any decision to make their children no longer a part of our community in a broad sense would create a second-class group of people that did not have the same rights, did not have the same opportunities that everyone in the United States has, and it would fundamentally change the nature of our country. So we are really focused on ensuring that people understand the impact of this case and the importance of the 14th Amendment and 150 years of cases that have ratified its interpretation.
You are not allowed to hold a public elected office in this country. What that sound like? We ain't gonna let them. I mean, the people under the tree over there in the shade, we ain't gonna let them, right? Yo, the people.
But America gave me a more powerful thing.
But let me tell you, immigration is not a problem for America.
For you tell us, no surprise we got for y'all. You'll be in this shirt. With this last name.
In this case, his work is in the courts of law is matched by the efforts in the courts of public opinion.
Birthright citizenship, first of all, is fundamental and ancient. That is the exact quote from Supreme Court justices who decided the case during Wong Kim Mark's time. This country was founded on birthright citizenship. The first people who came to this land are recipients of birthright citizenship. Many Asian Americans, Native Hawaiians, Pacific Islanders in this country are recipients of birthright citizens as well. For example, I'm the daughter of Vietnamese war refugees to this country, and if it wasn't for birthright citizenship, my extended family wouldn't be able to establish their lives here. Well, I mean, this country was founded essentially on birthright citizenship, and this country's entire governing processes, economy is built on the labor and built by the hands of immigrants, children of immigrants, ranging from the Irish, the European immigrants from back then to the Asian immigrants now. And so this country, it's really, birthright citizenship is fundamental to this country.
The Trump executive order on birthright citizenship is unconstitutional.